Hello, aspirants. This is Sai Kumar. This video is about October 5th current affairs. Yesterday's current affairs. This is do subscribe and like if you useful this. Okay. First one is in this video. First topic is climate change and forest fire link. Part of GS prelims and GS third paper climate change. This is also useful for UPSC students to APPSC all state exams any current affairs. Okay. uh, National international current affairs. Okay. GS prelims, GS third paper climate change. In news, scientists have noted that human induced climate change promotes that conditions on which wildfire depend on important value additions. Wildfire, it is also called forest, bush or vegetation fire. It is any uncontrolled burning of plants in a natural setting such as a forest grassland which consumes the natural fuels and spreads based on wind topography. Okay, see here the forest fire. These can be incited by human actions such as land clearing, extreme drought, or in rare cases by lightning. Three conditions needed for a wildfire: fuel, oxygen, and heat source. Globally, forest fires release billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Hundreds of thousands of people died due to illness caused by exposure to smoke. Factors: 1. Climate change increases the frequency. 2. Poor land and forest management. Next topic in this video. Next topic. DeFi Hellman Key Exchange. This is about WhatsApp chat. Part of GS prelims and GS third paper science and technology. In news, recently television news channels share leaked WhatsApp chats of film actors in their coverage of an actor's death. Okay, it prompted Facebook owned WhatsApp to come out with a statement on its use of end-to-end encryption to secure user messages. Key takeaways: since 2016, WhatsApp has installed an end-to-end encryption system. The encryption ensures that the messages sent on WhatsApp are read and seen by only those on WhatsApp, or read and seen by only those people who are communicating. The technology that forms the basis for this is called Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Okay, it is a method of securely exchanging cryptographic keys over public channel. It was one of the first public key protocols as conceived by Ralph Merkel and named after Whitfield Diffie Martin Hellman. The method allows two parties that have no prior knowledge of each other to jointly establish a shared secret key over an insecure channel. This key can then be used to encrypt subsequent communications using a systematic key shipper. Atal Tunnel, next topic. Atal Tunnel inaugurated. Part of GS prelims and GS first paper geography. Paper 1 geography. Okay, in news, Indian Prime Minister recently inaugurated the world's longest highway tunnel, Atal Tunnel. Okay, world longest highway tunnel uh, inaugurated by Prime Minister called Atal Tunnel. Okay. Key takeaways: location Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh. Construction by Border Roads Organization (BRO). The 9.02 kilometers long tunnel connects Manali to Lahal to Spiti Valley. Spiti Valley throughout the year. Okay. This Atal Tunnel, Manali to Lahore, Spiti Valley throughout the year. Okay. Earlier, the valley was cut off for about 6 months each year owing to heavy snowfall. Okay. Because of snowfall, this valley cut off for every year for 6 months. The tunnel reduced the road distance by 46 kilometers between Manali and Leh, and the time by about 4 to 5 hours. It will provide all-weather connectivity to remote border areas of Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh. It would also reduce the distance between Manali and Keelong by 3-4 hours. Former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee laid the foundation of the approach road for this tunnel in 2002. Okay, next topic. Successful trial of Shaurya missile conducted. Part of GS Prelims and GS. Third paper, Defense and Security. In news, a successful trial of the nuclear capable Shaurya missile was conducted by India recently. Shaurya is a land based parallel of the submarine launched K-15 missile. These ballistic weapons belonging to the K missile family condemned K missile family codenamed after later Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which are launched from the Arihant class of nuclear submarines. Important value additions: K family of missiles. The K family of missiles are primarily submarine launched ballistic missiles SLBMS. These missiles are fired from submarines from India's Arihant class nuclear powered platforms. Indigenously developed by Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, the development of these novel platforms step towards completing India's nuclear launched missiles began to the late 1990s as a step towards completing India's nuclear triad. The capability of launching nuclear weapons from land, sea, air based assets. These missiles are lighter, smaller, and stealthier than their land based counterparts. Still there. The Agni series of missiles are land based, which are medium and intercontinental range nuclear capable ballistic missiles. Next topic. Two new species of pipe worts from the Western Ghats discovered. Part of GS Prelims and GS third paper, Biodiversity. In news, scientists from Agarkar Research Institute, Pune have recently discovered two new species of pipe worts from the Western Ghats of Maharashtra and Karnataka. Researchers have named the species found in Maharashtra and Iriokalan, Parvispalam, Iriokalan and Parvispalan for its distinct minute inflorescence size. Karnataka counterpart has been named Iriokalan Karavalens, Iriokalan and Karavalens, indicating the Karavali coastal region in the state. Okay, key takeaways. Pipeworts is a type of wetland plant. Pipeworts is a type of wetland plant. It belongs to the genus Eriocalan. Some of the previously discovered plant species have medicinal values. They also have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-cancerous properties. Which plant? Pipeworts is a wetland plant. However, the team is yet to trace the hidden medical applications of these two species. Some are endemic to the Western Ghats and Eastern Himalayas. Some 111 species exist in India, most of which are endemic to the Western Ghats and Eastern Himalayas. The two newly discovered species display different floral characters than previously known species. All species of Eriocalan appear very similar to one another. The team has taken up DNA barcoding works of these species to understand the evaluation of this genus in India. Next topic. High-powered committee alleges violations in Char Dham Road project. GS Prelims, part of GS Prelims and GS first paper Geography. In news, the chairman of a Supreme Court appointed expert committee has alleged violations of the court orders in the execution of the Char Dham Road project. It is a 900 kilometers P 12,000 crore. What is this? 12,000 crore enterprise to connect pilgrimage spots in Uttarakhand. Important value additions: Char Dham Yatra of Uttarakhand. Char Dham Yatra of Uttarakhand. In the Great Himalayas in Uttarakhand, the four pilgrim destinations, namely Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath, are collectively known as Char Dham. Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath are collectively known as Char Dham. Please remember it. This is very important. What is the meaning of Char Dham? Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath. Okay, these are collectively known as Chardham. Traditionally, this pilgrimage tour should begin from the western and in the east. Thus, the Char Dham Yatra commences from Yamunotri, then proceeds to Gangotri, and finally to Kedarnath and Badrinath. Okay, the more is the key coordinator of the Chardham project. Ravi Chopra. Ravi Chopra is the chairman of the High Powered Committee, HPC. Okay, thank you, friends. This is the October 5th October current affairs. Please like and do subscribe. And if you want to join in our WhatsApp group, join for latest updates and informations. Thank you.